Are you feeling unusually tired, dizzy, or forgetful? You might be experiencing a vitamin B12 deficiency, a common issue that affects many people. Vitamin B12 is essential for your body's energy, nerve health, and red blood cell production. When your levels drop, your body and mind can suffer in surprising ways. Let's break down the top symptoms to watch for. Constant fatigue, even after a good night's sleep, is a major sign. If you're struggling with brain fog or memory lapses, your brain could be lacking B12. Tingling or numbness in your hands or feet may signal nerve issues linked to low B12. Notice your skin looking pale or slightly yellow? That's another warning sign. Finally, shortness of breath or frequent dizziness can occur when your blood isn't carrying enough oxygen due to low B12. To naturally boost your B12, focus on foods like eggs, milk, cheese, fish such as salmon and tuna, and meats like liver. Vegans can choose fortified cereals or plant-based milks. Supplements or B12 shots may be needed if levels are very low. Supporting gut health also helps your body absorb B12 efficiently. If these symptoms sound familiar, get your B12 checked. Early action can prevent long-term problems.